In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up appointment slots where any logged in Google user can go and sign up for a specific time slot available on your calendar. Let's say, for example, on Tuesday the 23rd, I want to have some office hours that students can sign up for. So from Google Calendar, I'm just going to make what looks like a normal event, but you notice over here I've got something called appointment slots. By moving over here, I can say one-on-one meeting, and I want to make these available from 3 until 4:30 and 30-minute slots. I can make it a Zoom meeting if I want to, but I don't have to. And there we go. Now on my calendar, I see that I have from 3 until 4:30 these one-on-one meetings. If I click back into this, you can see that I have a new link here. Go to appointment count page for this calendar. This is the link, copy link address, that I would send out to people. So if I went to another person's calendar right now, you would see that there are 3 available slots for one-on-one meetings. Remember, I set them from 3 until 4:30, 30 minutes each. And so if I want the middle one, that time works for me. It automatically gives the name that I put in, one-on-one meeting. This is the person's name who's doing the booking. This just happens to be the account I'm signed into. This is the time, and they hit save, and away they go. And now you notice the person booking the calendar, that one, the middle one went away. That one's already been booked. So if I go back to my personal calendar, you can see what's popped up here. I still have from 3 to 4:30 generally booked out for one-on-one meetings, but I have a specific one here. It's a one-on-one meeting with this person called IT Director, and there's a Zoom link right to that. So this way you can allow people to book the appointment times they want without it overwhelming your schedule. This is the only time that I've given for that one-on-one meeting. If I wanted to, I could have said, rather than 3 to 4:30, maybe I want to do 3 to 4:30 every Tuesday and Thursday for 3 weeks. Or maybe I want to say, I want to repeat this on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday just this week. And I want this to finish up on with the dates that I'm doing here. I'll just choose a date near the end. And now when I save that, I can see that I've got 3 different sets of meetings that people could choose from. And all of my other calendar meetings are untouched.